number of decoys were made, pretty good 3D printed replicas of red-billed gulls, which we implanted into the site. They're set in with concrete. If we go to a count in December, early December, we had 942 adults on site. There were 97 recent chicks, which we call fluffies, and 508 fledglings, so they're chicks that had already developed in the preceding 4 or 5 weeks, giving us at that point 1,550 birds on site. To be able to try and manage and keep, natural New Zealand fauna and flora here is quite important. And to be able to do this is just one element of, knowing that you don't have to step out of Auckland to see some of New Zealand's, coastal species, I think is quite neat.